What it do, grind family? Reggie P here. Hey, would you like to win some free money? Well, all you have to do is follow these guidelines. Subscribe to this channel, like this video, share this video, and watch this video all the way to the very end, and look out for a code word that will pop up in this video, and then type that down in the comments below. And once I reach 5,000 subscribers, 2 people will get a chance to win some free money. So follow those guidelines and get a chance to win this free money. Now let's get into this video.
This is App Grind TV. Get your grind on.
Welcome to App Grind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get paid $566 plus from Yandex Translate, and it's available worldwide. Now, if you're new to my channel, I help entrepreneurs make money online, make money on YouTube, and make money with apps. And every time I receive 1,000 new subscribers, I give away free money. So it'll be beneficial for you right now to hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop. And give me a like, it really helps out my channel and it helps out this video. And drop that comment down below if you have any questions, opinions, or concerns about what I'm talking about today. Now, this method is absolutely free to start. You don't need any money. Again, it's available worldwide, so anybody around the world can use this method and make some good money. All you need is a computer or a cell phone. That's all you need, and an internet connection, and you're good to go. Now, guys, please look out for the code word that's going to pop up in this video, because if you type the code word down in the comments, and once I reach 5,000 subscribers, you might be picked to win some free money. I'm gonna give away some free money to 3 people this time if I can get to 5,000 subscribers within 4 days. So at the end of October, I need to get to 5,000 subscribers, guys. So please help a brother out. And please watch this video all the way to the very end. I have a special bonus I want to share with you guys. So without further ado, let me hop over here to this site and show you this method. Let's grind and let's get it. Okay, guys, I'm at this website, and the name of this website is Latham. I might be pronouncing it wrong, but on this website, this is the site that you're gonna get paid to translate. So what we're gonna do, once you come here and after you sign up, you're going to go up here where it says browse, then click on browse projects. It's going to take you to this page, and then here are the featured projects. So all you do is go over here where it says translation and languages. Click that. It's going to take you to this page here. It's going to show you all the translation and languages jobs. So you're going to be a freelancer at this website, because a lot of companies, individuals come here to get tasks done from freelancers. So since we're talking about doing translation and getting paid to translate different languages, that's why I went ahead and took you to this page here. And as you can see, this one right here says translate. Once you click in there, it'll tell you what they need translate. They paying up to $100. This one right here looking for a Russian translator. They paying up to $30. And this next one right here with anonymous, required simple translation of web pages from French, and they're paying up to $10. So you're going to get rewarded for this money if they go ahead and choose you to go ahead and translate their project. Now, you're probably saying this is real low. Where's the big money? I'm going to show you in a minute. Look at this. Here's the big money right here. Translate product details, $500 to $600. Now, this is in Ethereum. So once you get rewarded, they're going to pay you in Ethereum, which is a cryptocurrency. And you can easily go to this website called Coinbase, sign up there, open up an account, and you can go ahead and convert this cryptocurrency into US dollars easily. All right, so this one right here, the reward is for up to $400. Now I'm going to show you something that's really going to blow your mind, guys. I'm going to scroll down here, take a few seconds. Check this out. Speaking Spanish linguistic, $2,000 to $2,500. Wow. So guys, that is a lot of money to just translate something. Now you got the gist of this website, and you're gonna know what you're gonna have to do. So you're probably saying to yourself, I don't know how to speak all these different languages. Well, I'm going to take you to a website where it's going to translate all the languages for you for free. So that's when Yandex come in. So I'm going to go to Yandex right now. Okay, guys, I'm at Yandex Translate. Now, all you have to do here is very, very easy. You can put text in here and translate to whatever you want to translate this to. So you can just click right here, and that's all the languages that you can choose. Whatever you want to translate it to. You can translate to English, Danish, Dutch, Hebrew, Korean, but we're going to keep it on Russian. So what I did, I went ahead and just took some text and just want to show you how it works. So I copied some text and put it right here on the Word document. And matter of fact, that's what you're going to do, guys. Whatever they want you to translate, you're going to go ahead and open up this document, Word document on your computer, and post and go ahead and paste the information they want to translate. Then once you open up Yandex Translate, copy and paste the language or the words they want you to translate. I'm sorry, let me go ahead and copy this. And you just go in here, paste this in here, and watch this. Boom! How long did that take? Not even a second, a half a second. So guys, that's all you do. And then once you get this, you just go ahead and copy this, put that on the document, Word document, and submit that to the client here on Lathin. So Lathin is Latium. So that's LATIUM.org. So you just come here and submit the finished product or the finished task to the client, and boom, watch you get rewarded up to from $566 all the way up to $2,500. So that's it, guys. That's the method. Easy, and you can make some real good money. You can do this on a regular basis, guys, and get money on a weekly basis doing this. This can be a good little side job or a career. All right, guys. So if you want to get started, go ahead and sign up here at Lathium.org and then use Yandex Translate to translate the languages and come back over here, submit it, and get paid. Okay guys, thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. Before you go, let me tell you about the special bonus. Now, if you scroll down in the description area, scroll all the way down, you're going to see where it says free giveaways. Now, before you can get these free giveaways, you have to be a subscriber to the channel. So go ahead and subscribe to the channel and then go down into the description, click on where it says free giveaways, click on that link. It's going to take you to a page, a web page, and on that web page it's going to be 3 free gifts for you guys to download and use. It's all free and it's going to help you in your journey to making money online. So that's all you have to do, guys. All right, that's all I have for this video. Please, before you leave, hit that like button for me and help me to get at least 50 likes. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions about this method. And please don't forget to type that code word that pops up here in the video so you can get a chance to win this free money once I reach 5,000 subscribers. And please share this all around the internet because I want to help everybody I can to make money online and become financially free. And last but not least, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop, because I make videos like this every other day. Okay guys, thank you for tuning in, and I'm still waiting for a good comment, guys, so please drop a comment and you will be getting a shout out in one of my videos. So if you want to get a shout out in one of my videos, please leave a creative comment. One more thing, if you're new, it's your first time here checking out my video, I have a podcast show. It's called Hustle, Grind, and Grow. On that podcast, I talk about how to increase your personal finance and how to become a better person as far as personal development. And also I'll talk about tips, strategies, and habits that will help you to grow your business. And also I will have interviews with successful entrepreneurs in their prospective field so you guys can learn from the best of the best how to start a business, how to run a business, and be successful. Okay guys, that's all I have for this video. Thanks again for tuning in. Road to 5,000. Let's get there as soon as possible. One more thing before I go. Get your grind on, because the grind is real. Go check out some of these other videos until my next one come out. Peace.
Get your grind on, yeah. Get your grind on, yeah. Get your grind on.